Back to building on a budget. I'm sorry that I didn't remember to get the before and after. This carburetor was sitting on the car. I said more than 15 years with fuel in it, so everything was varnished over. The throttle blades weren't moving. So I went and got some muriatic acid, followed the instructions on the bottle, soaked it for a while, pulled it out, and finished it up with a cheap Harbor Freight soda medium blaster. Things on the cheap. No one's got tons of money to fix anything. Um, this carburetor was so dirty and full of varnish. You see now all the varnish is gone. And I am going to rebuild this on camera. The only thing I don't like, some areas appeared to be pitted. Now I don't know if that was before I started taking the dirt off. Like I said, the carburetor itself was filthy and it had a lot of varnish on it, but overall came out good. And that will be it for today. Oh, just make sure you get a big bag of baking soda. It goes through a lot of baking soda and it is very messy. Would I do this again? Probably not. I'd probably get an enclosed cabinet if I ever had to clean anything again that way. But it didn't come out bad. It came out pretty good. So stay tuned for the rebuild.